Hi everyone, my name is Teresa and I'm here to share with you a project with Ocean Blue collection from Graphic 45. I am here to show you the keepsake edition. It's the kit that I use to make my project. Olá, eu sou a Teresa Cruz e estou aqui para vos partilhar o meu projeto com a Graphic 45, com o kit Keepsake Edition, com a coleção Ocean Blue. I remember to make a wrap journal because I love to make wrap journals, and I did prepare a full tutorial and I lost all the file. I don't know where it is. I tried to search on the backups of my projects on the program that I use to film, and I lost everything. But I didn't lose the project, so I will show you the project and I will show you how I make every step of it. So this kit, this keepsake kit, it has exclusive dies. It has this package, this big package to store all the papers. Here are some of the papers in 12 by 12. The sticker sheet, that I already used some on the project. We have 16 double-sided 12 by 12 sheets, 2 of each 8 designs, and 4 designs for the pattern and solids, each papers. And I also have ephemera pieces to use. We have also the dies, the exclusive dies for this kit, that are this pack that comes in this keepsake kit. They are all so beautiful. I already cut them and use on the project. This is only half of this part, and they are so beautiful to use on your projects. Look at I cut them with the pattern and solids sheets, and you can also make your own to embellish your project. So let's see. I already have a flip through of my project, but I will show you how it turns out. This is the project. You can see the flip through on my channel and on the Graphic 45 channel. You can check all the page inside and every detail of it. So let's see how I create this. First, I have one that I did prepare some time ago with this collection, The Beach is Calling. So I will show you. The first step is to prepare the cover and how you can make this cover. I will show you. So you grab one of chipboard pieces from Graphic 45. This is a black one, and you need to make to cut in 12 by 12, half of the 12 by 12, so 15 inches. And you can double-sided tape adhesive use on both sides. I use this one from Elizabeth Craft Designs, so this is the perfect size for this. You can put double-sided adhesives here and here, and you can cover with 2 beautiful papers from the collection. And you run your die, that is this one, Sizzix wrap around journal. It's let's see. I use this old scoreboard chiseled die from Eileen Hull with Sizzix, and this makes the wraparound so easy to make. I run this when this is everything are good. I put this and run in my die cut machine. So when I make this, I came up with this one, and it's ready to assemble. You just add the elastic here on the already cut holes, but if you don't have a die, you also can cut this. I can tell you the measurements of this. Let's see. So this is 30 and a half, so the full size paper, by 13. So you have your wraparound journal, you put the elastics. My elastics on my journal, they are already there, but you can see inside I have these elastics here, like so, and it's very easy to put. Let me show you. So you can see I have one elastic for these two parts holes, these two holes, and I make another elastic for the other one. I can show you better than this. Let's see. Let's just grab an elastic and I'll show you on my other journal how I made this. So I just put my elastic here, and you just want to see this bit on the outside, and you continue to the other hole and you go inside, and then you can close this with a knot. So this is the first one. You make the same thing for the other holes, and you have all ready to go, and you can add your notebooks inside. So my notebooks, I didn't sew them, so I can show you, and it's better to show you how they are assembled. You have one cover that I will show you how to cut this. I have the cards here that goes inside. I have one white cardstock that is the same size as the cover, same size. This one, it's bigger because I have a pocket here. We have another sheet of cardstock with embellishments here, and this is the same for the other notebook inserts for your journal. So let's see one step at a time. If this is 19 by 12, this is the size for your cover of your notebook. You can score this You have to score this at 3 3/4 of an inch. So if you have a scoreboard, you use it, or you can score in half. So this is your cover, it's ready. You can make 4 of this, and then you have to make the pages the same thing as the covers. You need 2 of each for each notebook, so 8 pieces of white cardstock. This is soft cardstocks by Elizabeth Craft Designs. It's watercolor paper, so it's good for photos, for coloring, for drawing, whatever. And you need 4 of these ones. These are the pages for the inside and the ones that have this pocket, and these are 24 by 12, and you score also at 3 3/4 of an inch. You can score it, and then another 3 3/4 of an inch. So you can now round your corners and glue this like a pocket, and you can round outside corners too, and it's ready. Another step that you need to make, you round your corners here on the back, and in this part I use my punch to cut. I use this stub punch that make this like so, and you can come up with this corner right here, so your elastic don't ruin your notebooks. You can see all my notebooks have these corners that I cut off, so it's better to add everything inside. So the cover, your cards, it's from this part. You can cut just 2 and fold in half, and you can add inside your notebook like I did in mine. You can add here, and then you can add your ivory sheet, your sheet with the pocket and the other page with cardstock. So when you have your 4 notebook inserts ready, you can add them on your journal, wraparound journal, and you can embellish everything with them inside your wraparound journal. I think it's better to see them already inside and start to decorate with everything you have. The pieces you cut with the dies, the ephemeras, and the stickers. Everything you have on this kit, it's amazing to make your project. I also add some ivory ribbon from Graphic 45 here for a bit of texture. I also add 2 small vellum things to close my wraparound journal, and it's ready. So if you need any more tips on how to make this, just let me know in the comments. I can answer that, and I can help you with everything you need. Sorry if I don't have the full video, but I think with these instructions you can follow along and make your own wraparound journal. I have many wraparound journals and many video tutorials with how I make them in my YouTube channel, and in Graphic 45 channel you can also have some of my wraparound journal tutorials, so it's easy for you to follow and make your own. So let me know in the comments if you like this project, if you like to use your keepsake, if you have yours, and what are you planning to make with your kit. If you make one wraparound journal inspired in mine, just tag me, and I see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.